I hear from people who take my Presenting Passionately workshop that the thing that stops them from letting out their passion is when they see an audience that they don't know or that they don't feel will give them any energy back. And this is very common. And I'm faced with this kind of audience all the time. I was speaking at a conference in an arena that I'll use as an example with 1,500 people in the financial industry. None of them know me, and I'm introduced to come out on stage. And within 7 minutes, my goal is to get these people on their feet, getting out of the comfort zone and doing a physical exercise. So how do I attack this? Well, first of all, I need to be in the right emotional place when I hit the stage. And I need to hit the stage with energy, with confidence, and a playfulness, right? Because I want these people to play with me. So everything needs to be alive, and it needs to be alive in my body and my voice. My voice needs to be in a place where I'm ready to hit these people. And when I got on stage, I looked around, and I remember seeing the people in the front, some people saying, who's this? What is this? Met with some instant skepticism and cynicism, because who's this energetic freak on stage yelling at them? Did I let those faces stop me? Did I pull myself back and say, whoa, I better tone it down? No, because I was playing to win these people to get excited and get on their feet. And I continued with confidence, and yes, after 7 minutes, I had 15 people up doing some wild physical exercises and getting out of the comfort zone, and they stayed on their feet for the next 40 minutes while I led them through a short version of Fail Gloriously. So how do you do this? How do you get engagement? You got to bring the passion, because passion creates safety. And no matter how unsafe the audience feels, you can still win their engagement. If you want to check out the whole video, it's in the comments.